Hi, welcome to our new video of Python Basic series. Today we are going to learn about the dictionary and its implementation, how the dictionary works, what is dictionary, and how to use it. So before starting, if you're new here, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to receive every new video update. Thanks. Now moving on. Dictionary is a built-in Python data structure that is mutable. It is similar in spirit to lists, sets, and tuples. However, it is not indexed by a sequence of numbers, but indexed based on keys, and can be understood as associative arrays. On an abstract level, it consists of a key with an associated value. In Python, the dictionary represents the implementation of a hash table. Yes, you can map the key values, so it is a sort of hash table. Now please look at the figure. So as shown in the figure, keys are mutable keys which are on the left side, that are keys, and it cannot be changed, and that are mutable, that is data types that can be either strings or numbers. However, a key cannot be a mutable data type. For example, a list. Keys are unique within a dictionary and cannot be duplicated inside a dictionary. If it is used more than once, subsequent entries will override the previous values. Yes, you can update the values and you can override the previous value. Key connects with the value, hence creating a map-like structure. For example, remove keys from the picture. All you are left with a data structure containing a sequence of numbers. Dictionary therefore hold a key value pair at each position. A dictionary is represented by a pair of curly braces in which by enclosed are a key value pair separated by a comma. So now we are going to learn how to initialize or how to create a dictionary. So as a refresher, here is a recipe for creating or initializing a dictionary. The key value can be int, string, list, tuple, or even a dictionary itself. Like the recursive dictionary, you can use the multi-level dictionary. Like here are the two values are a string, but it can be any data type. So how to access dictionary items? There are many ways, but most commonly we use indexing and use the get function. But the most common difference between these two is if you use the first one, indexing can throw error if the certain key is not in the dictionary. But it is safe to use .get method. It will return none if the key is not found in the dictionary. So these are the very basic introduction to the dictionary. So what is next? We will learn about the frequently used dictionary functions, like many others. And dictionary is a broad topic. We will get to learn in the part 2 on some very exciting dictionary functions in upcoming videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.